Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of SCOTD's, that is Sign Carvers of the Day. This is where you guys send us pictures of your projects, your freehand carved signs, and then we show them off for you. So we always love doing this. You guys seem to really like them. But if you're brand new and you guys are carving signs, you can send them to me. Email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. I'll print out the picture and then we will share them on a future SCOTD. As you're seeing this, it's almost Veterans Day. So happy Veterans Day to all you vets out there that have served our country. We so appreciate you. We always try and point that out whenever we can. So we have this great country because of what you veterans have done for us. Anyway, let's get into this. We got a great group today. There'll be 20 of them here. Let's jump into this and get this thing going. First, we have Gerald Sparrow. This is Gerald's very first sign. He made this for his cousin who is fighting breast cancer. So I hope it all goes well. I know kind of what that's like when you're supporting somebody that's going through that. I know all too well. So great job on this, Gerald. I love the color. And for your first sign, you did really, really well. Hope you're having fun carving signs. Keep it up. Next, we have Bob Ledick. This is only Bob's second sign, and this one is really cool. I love it. I think this definitely could be a regular sign, like a stock sign. I think it's terrific. Great job, Bob. Hope you're enjoying yourself, man. Next, we have Glenn Elenson. I hope I'm saying that right, Glenn. I apologize if I butchered that. This is one of his very first signs, 25 by 40, and it looks like it's on a piece of that panel board. It looks really good. Use the profile bit and the 90. Again, for one of your first signs, you did really, really well. I love the edge. I love everything about it. Great looking sign, Glenn. Hope you're having fun, man. Next, we have Chet Jacobson. This is his very first signs, and he'll use these as a display when he goes and sets up at craft fairs, which he's starting to do. Very nice job, Chet. I'm sure this will bring you some business. Good job, buddy. Next up, David Fees. So on this one, it's a 20 by 20 piece of poplar. He used his profile bit, carving liner, 60 degree, and the 1/8 inch spiral. This is for a person that raises funds for veterans. I think it's great. I love the logo, the color. The poplar looks really nice, especially against the dark background. Great job on this, David. Absolutely love it. Next, we have Dougie Fletcher, and Dougie is from the UK. This is his second sign. Made this for a friend, and this is a rugby team in the UK. Great job for only your second sign, Dougie. Awesome. Great way to add the color, and you've got a nice outline around the logo itself. The letters they look really good, especially for carving on an arch like that, and looks like it's some kind of a panel board as well. Terrific job, Dougie. Keep it up, man. Next, we have Gary Brown. Gary made this for his daughter's wedding. Looks really good, Gary. I'm sure it was a big hit at the wedding. Keep it up, buddy. It looks terrific. I love the way that you actually cut the shape and put it on a base like that. That's a great table setting. Good job, buddy. Next, we have Herbert Snoots, and this is his second sign. Herb, you did a great job there. I love the fact that you've got it in an arch there and did a nice little, looks like a pointer or a retriever of some kind there. Looks terrific. Great job, Herb. I hope you're enjoying it. Keep it up, buddy. Brian Fuller, his very first sign. Looks like it's on a thick piece of pine or something that's light colored like that. For your first sign, terrific job. I think it's a great looking address sign. Probably going to bring you some business. Great work, Brian. Keep it up, buddy. This one's really cool. This is from Ken Soless MD. He's a retired physician, and he loves making decorative posts like this. And I think this is so unique. It looks like he did a lot of work on this post, and he even has some, looks like some scroll saw type work added to the carved post itself. What a unique product. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Great job, Ken. Next up, we have Server Syed, and this one is his first sign. He made this for his 4.5-year-old granddaughter. And for your first sign, man, you really did very well. Looks like it's big. You can see that he's holding it or somebody's holding it. This has got to be 4 foot by 2 foot, something like that. A lot of flat background there. For your very first sign, wow. Fantastic job, buddy. It looks terrific. Next we have Rich Boyce. Rich has been following us for quite a while. This is one of his first signs, and he made this for a Navy veteran brother of his. And I think it looks terrific. It looks like it's on a piece of pine. It's nice and balanced. I think it looks really, really good, Rich. I'm not surprised, man. Great job, buddy. This one is from a longtime viewer of ours, Shane Northridge, over in the UK. This is 10 by 20, and he carved this on 5 different levels. And it is really neat the way he sent a collage on how the thing kind of came together. It took him longer to paint it than it did to carve it. And this time of year, I don't know, maybe shows my age, but it looks like the dog that Bill Murray played in Scrooged at the beginning of the movie. That's what it reminds me of. Anyway, great job, Shane. Thanks again for sending this in. Shane always does beautiful stuff and always has a lot of color in his work. Great job, buddy. This one is really cool, a piece of live edge. I think this is, I don't know, maybe a pine, a piece of pine. Could be a white poplar, I'm not sure, but it really looks nice. It looks to me like it's a picture of Taylor Swift. I can't be sure, but that's what it looks like. And this is Jimmy Hinch did this, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the gloss finish on there. Great job, Jimmy. This is one of our favorite people from the UK. Aid Mans did this, and obviously a portrait of Beetlejuice. Aid, you did a great job, buddy. I love the panel. I've seen quite a few people carving on the panel board and stuff, but this looks like it's almost like a cutting board, almost like it's teak or something like that. Beautiful wood, and Aid, as always, you did a terrific job. That's a great likeness of Beetlejuice there. Great job, buddy. This is only the second sign from Brad Day, 15 by 40. He used, I think he used some type of pine or construction material, used American Stain acrylic paints. His neighbor actually saw him making this and ordered a business sign for his pool business, $350. So that worked out really well for you, Brad. What a terrific job you did on this. I love the color. I love everything about it. I love the font that you used, all of the paints. Terrific job. The outline, the border, looks terrific. For only your second sign, Brad, you killed it, man. Great job. This one's really cool. Leon Martin, he's been following us for a while. He made this for Waylon Jennings' grandson, and whose name is Way Jennings, and he actually met him and presented this to him, and I'm sure that was a thrill. Great job on this. Keep it up, buddy. I hope you're having fun. Go out there and meet more country music people. That's the way to get your signs out there for sure. Kyle Watkins, this is a piece of cedar, and this is actually a recipe book holder, and he has a hinged back so it actually leans and is freestanding. You use the profile bit, the carving liner, and the 1/8" spiral upcut bit. Terrific job, Kyle. What a great product. This is a product you could probably make a lot of and sell as a stock item at craft shows and craft fairs. Alan Lynch, he made this for his man cave. Obviously, he's a Toronto fan. 4 different logos here. Looks terrific. Looks like it's on a piece of cedar, and this is 10 by 36. There's some really fine lines there. Alan, you did a great job, man. You zoom in on those, there are some really tight, fine lines there, and you killed it, man. Looks terrific, Alan. Great job. Last but not least, we have Scott Crawford. This is his first sign. This is a 4-foot piece of fence picket, and I think it looks terrific. Used our fatty font. Looks like one of our gnome stencils on here, and this one would be really popular at the holidays. So that is it, guys. Remember, we're coming up on Christmas time. Christmas time, if you're selling signs or if you're making signs for gifts, this is going to be your busiest time of year. Now would be a great time to really ramp up your production if you're going to be making stock signs. Get your signs in front of people, post them on places. This is a great time to be selling signs and, you know, making some extra bucks on a side hustle for the Christmas season. So again, guys, this is August 14th through August 26th. So again, guys, keep it up. Keep up the great work. Hope you guys are getting ready for the holidays. Thanks so much. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Send us your projects. We'd love to share them with everybody for you. And we love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.